All right, we're continuing 8.5. This is subtracting rational expressions. So pretty much just like adding, except for now we're going to be subtracting. So as usual, the very first thing we're going to do is factor. So we have n minus 5, and then on the bottom we can take out a 2n. So we have 2n n minus 1 minus 4n over 2. All right, and then we need to figure out what our common denominator is going to be. So we have 2's in each of our denominators. So we're going to need a 2, and we're going to need an n, and we're going to need an n minus 1, because those are the three pieces of this one, right? And then this one also has a 2. So they have a 2 in common. And it turns out that our common denominator matches this denominator. So I don't have to multiply anything by that denominator because its denominators already match, right? But this denominator, in order to get it to match this denominator, I need to multiply by n minus 1 on top and bottom, because it already has the 2, right? So I don't need to multiply the 2 again. I just need the n minus 1 part. So let's see what that's going to look like. So I have minus 4n times n minus 1. All right, let's simplify that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these two. So that would be n minus 5. Minus, I'm going to have 4n squared. I'm just going to write that up here. This is 4n squared, right? So I'm going to have 4n squared, and I'm going to distribute that into my parentheses here. So I have 4n cubed minus 4n squared. Now notice I still have this in brackets, and that's because I haven't taken care of this negative yet. This is the one caveat of subtracting, is that we now have this extra negative we have to take care of. So before I can get rid of these parentheses, I have to distribute my negative. So I'm going to have n minus 5 minus 4n cubed plus 4n squared, all over 2n minus 1. Okay, so we have to be very careful that we don't forget to distribute that negative, because otherwise our signs will be wrong, and then the question will be wrong, and that will be very sad. You can rewrite this into standard form if you want, because right now it's all out of order, but it doesn't really simplify any more than this. So this is our final answer. Okay, we will do the next example in the next video.